This is it, the maiden flight of my custom Nazgul F5 V3 O4 Pro version. This wasn't a binding fly, I built this machine from the ground up. And if you want to see the journey, check out the episodes 1 for the frame build, episode 2 for the electronics. Just a quick huge shout out to iFlight for engineering such an incredible frame, and a massive thank you to T Hobby for sponsoring the build with their motors. They absolutely killed it with these Velox V3 motors. The power and response on these are just another level, absolute another level. The spoiler alert, this maiden flight went far better than I could imagine. We didn't crash. This thing flies like an absolute dream, totally locked on the rails, incredibly punchy and insanely smooth. But don't just take my word for it, let's go to the flight.